Hey designers, secret to make more money. Right now, the retail industry not doing so well. A lot of store now, they don't add new brand or designer unless you are a guaranteed money maker because rent are expensive and they need to make sure they have regular income. And it's also a little bit harder because what happened is when you in a retail space, it used to be 50-50, that your wholesale price now is 40-35%. So basically you sell the product at 40% or 35%. So it have room for the store to do a markdown because a lot of people are also looking for deals. Now, new market. First one, people don't realize that I have done collaboration with the hospitality industry. And the hospitality industry, it anybody in the event space, hotel or a restaurant, they have a big budget, especially high-end restaurant. They use a lot of money to dress up the staff because it's part of the look, and it's they're always looking for local designer to build up community space and support. A lot of time they don't order one uniform, they order like 20, 30, 50 to 100. So that's a really good contract to land. And the best way to get your stuff in this industry is to be seen by people in the hospitality industry. Reach out to them or work with somebody who have access to them. Your main thing is you want to make sure your stuff available for them to see. And when they have a part and they think of certain style, you may be fit into that, and they may call it could be a very lucrative project. Second, a lot of people don't realize is the TV and film industry. TV and film have a lot of budget compared to regular consumer. They usually always looking for dress and support the local designer. So if you're able to get your stuff in front of anybody in the TV and film, great. People in the costume, even better, get your stuff in front of the people who make decisions. So you can have anybody, director, assistant, costume designer, anybody like that, as long as they know you're around, and if they have a project and they need a certain look and you fit into that, they will reach out, buy your stuff. So they usually buy them or rent them. I already mentioned how rentals charge in another video. Go back there and look at it. But those are the two really cool industry you should consider or tap in, because retail is not that easy for most of us working in fashion. So, and these are untapped market, and it have a bigger potential for profit and also better potential for sale and marketing. Because if you're able to get into a hotel or restaurant, a lot more people are gonna know who your design are from, because they're gonna customer gonna ask. And if you're able to get your stuff in the movie, you know, those are great. So it's really good PR and publicity. All right, ciao.